Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix can't type in Windows 10 in search bar. Our search bar is not working and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to click over here and you just have to right click and you just have to go to Task Manager, and from here you just have to click on Services, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to Windows Search. Keep scrolling and you have to find Windows Search. So as you can see the Windows Search, you just have to right click and go for restart. And once it is done, you just have to close this and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. So solution number 2 is you just have to click on here. You just have to press Windows and R key all together to get the run command, and now you have to type services.msc and you just have to press OK. So now this will take you to this, and from here as you can see that you just have to scroll down from here and you have to find Windows Search. You just have to find Windows Search, as you can see that. So you just have to right click on this and make sure that this is on the automatic. So here there are 4 options: automatic, manual, disabled. So you just have to make automatic, delayed start, and you just have to make sure this is on the automatic. So you just have to close this. Moving on, you just have to close this up and follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to press Windows and R key all together. So that will take you have to type Windows PowerShell and you just have to press enter. So this will take you to this, and I would like to make you notice that you just have to make this as administrator. So click on run as administrator. So go for yes, a new PowerShell will be opening. So now this is the new PowerShell, right? So now what you have to do is I'll be providing few links in the description. So you just have to copy the first one. You just have to copy this. Okay, you just have to copy this, and you just have to paste it and press enter. And once it is done, you just have to click on this once again and you have to copy the next command. You just have to copy the next command and you have to press paste it and press enter. So as you can see, this will take you a little bit time, so you just have to wait for it. And in parallel time we'll be doing copying the next command. So this is the next command, so you just have to copy this and just have to close this. And once it is successfully done, you just have to go for the next one. So next one's in the sentences, you just have to copy paste the third code or third command. Okay, this is what you have to do. And once it is all done, you just have to do a restart. So I'll be waiting for this. Okay, it is all done. So now you just have to go for the next one. So you just have to go for the next command. So this is the next command and you just have to paste it. Control V is for paste and you just have to press enter. Okay, and once it is also done, you just have to click on exit so that all the commands are done. So it is exited. So you just have to close this and you just have to go here and do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.